guys, it's me Brian from Plymouth New Zealand, and today I'm in New Plymouth. I was in Auckland for the school holidays with my uncle. I was there for 10 days and I'm now in New Plymouth. There's a river down there. Let me show you around, but there's a river down there. There's this guy living down here. Last night it was like so rainy. I think some of the rain made it. Oh, sheep, they're there. The sheeps are there. You can see them, they're right there, right. You see that right there, that's sheep, and this is the parking lot over here. Parking lot over here. Our hotel is over here. So we found my dad's favorite thing, and there's birds. Hi birds. Hi tiny birds. It's the middle one. The middle one. That's the tram. My dad's favorite bike. It's the visitor, but it's my dad's favorite bike. And I want to show you the ducks. They're over there. Oh, now they're gone. Oh, go catch them. Catch them! They're following us. Hi. We got food for you, little. So yeah. So I'll show you the rest in Mt Taranaki. Yeah. Bye! So I'm ready now. We had breakfast and let me show you where I had. So we ate on that table right there, and there's a picture of Mt Taranaki, and that's where we're going. And outside is raining. And this is Sadhvi uncle. He came with us, and it's raining now. And so I'll see you on the way. Bye. So we're on the way now, and this is the half route way. 16 kilometers we have to travel. I think it's half. I think it's 8. But we'll see you there. So we're here at Mt Taranaki, but it's foggy, so I'll show you inside here. There's this thing. It's this. This will light up. See, look. Pew, pew, pew. Pew, pew, pew. There's this. That one. So our car is right there, the red one, and we're going up here. So we're at Mt Taranaki, and I think this is the way there. And it's very slippery. You know, took me over. But my uncle went this way, so we're gonna follow him. I hope. No, Daddy! Don't run! My sister, she's so cute. And we couldn't find Mt Taranaki, guys. Sorry, but we will show you. This is a little bit of Mt Taranaki. Yeah, it says Egg Mount.
But you cannot find egg over here.
Yeah.
It says egg mount.
Yeah.
ऐसे थोड़ी होता है, कॉमेडी में करा के थोड़ी होती है.
इसको सीधे जिधर.
Hey, Ramit, cover your head. Now.
So it says Mount Egg Mount
/ Taranaki.
is near perfect.
Oh यार इसके इंग्लिश की क्लास ही लगा.
One by nature.
Google. It's getting way too windy here.
अब ठंड शुरू हो गई है, तुम बीमार होने वाले काम कर रहे हो.
I feel very good here. Ramit, are you feeling good? Yes.
Told you raincoat.
We're gonna go this way.
और I believe ये भी हमारा 1-2 मिनट का ही ट्रैक होगा.
Okay, अब
Yeah, we're gonna try going
Follow me.
this way. If we found my Taranaki, that's good. Please be high.
Hold my hand.
Ooh, there's another board. We can read this. Oh, and this ran track.
Oh.
9 kilometers. Oh, this is 4 minutes, 8 hours. What is 8 hours? Oh, the weather is really bad. As we can't see Mount Taranaki, but we're going to the other point. I thought we could go over here, but no. But we're gonna see on the next viewpoint. Bye. So, hi friends. Due to the heavy rain, couldn't reach Mount Taranaki. I'm sad, but I still got my wet clothes. So my uncle suggests to go somewhere else, like a go-kart, and play some games. So I'll show you over there. I think it's more fun. Right. Bye. We're at the Plymouth Beach, and we ate McDonald's because I was hungry. And I'll show you the beach around here. So, we're gonna go to the arcade now. It's called Way to Win, and then that's where we're going to go now. See you there. Bye. We're at the arcade now. Yeah. There's actually 2 arcades eventually. So let's go to the first arcade. Hey, you have to get the card first. I don't get this one too. So I'm in this machine, and can you please write me down?
Finish?
This game, and that game, please put the card there again.
Okay.
Yeah!
क्या बात है सौ का रिकॉर्ड तोड़ना है 100 का रिकॉर्ड शिट Good, good, good.
जोर से
But before ending the video, I would just like to show you guys first. I got this infinity cube, and there's a bouncy ball in my pocket. I'll keep it there. I got this puzzle. I don't know how to make it. And this eggie, if you put it in water in a cup, it hatches out. And there's so many other more. Like, this is my favorite right now. Oh. Look, see? You gotta squish it? Hey! There's more, don't pop these. Pop sound. And that's the end of my video. So I'll see you on my next vlog because I'm going back to my hotel. So like, share, comment, don't forget to subscribe.